Okay, folks, welcome to Market Wrap for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, I'm going to make this quick tonight because I have responsibilities. I'm sure that as I have a 90% male demographic, I'm sure that you guys have responsibilities as well. So I'm going to blow through this. The U.S. dollar daily basis, we have a doji formation. We did threaten to break down today, but we did not. Volume below average. Tips, daily chart. Big move higher today, and I'm beginning to look at the weekly charts, and the weekly charts are setting up very powerfully on the tips. And when you take a look at the daily chart RSI right here, you have, let's update this. I may not be as quick as I had hoped. Let's throw some lines up. So you can see, pretty powerful pattern here, and we've broken out. And then when you take a look at your Stokes, man, you know, this is money in the bank right here. When you see this, higher lows, double bottom setup above 50, high probability continuation move higher here on the tips. So what do we read into that? There are concerns about inflation. The VIX daily chart, not that impressive, right? But I mentioned earlier that I'm looking at the weekly charts, and the weekly chart is looking impressive, because what we have setting up here is a doji star formation. That's a sign of indecision. If we close out the week with this candlestick pattern or better, there's a good chance that we will have seen the lows for the VIX and the highs for the S&P 500 in the short term anyway. The S&P 500 daily chart, we have almost a doji formation, a sign of indecision. So we may just well see another move higher here. We bounced off of support. Down volume was low. We are beginning to see a rollover on Ultimate Oscillator with lower lows, possible lower high on Stoke RSI. So we're beginning to see some warning flags here on the indicators anyway. It was a down day, but not that bad. The IWM daily chart, an up day, an outside reversal day. We rallied up into resistance and we backed off of it. Volume very light. The banks broke down today. They've been very, very lethargic of late. So the banks are underperforming. Oil, a beautiful bullish key reversal day today. In all probability, we are moving higher now. Gold. So I think that we've seen the lows for gold in the very short term anyway. What we're seeing is a very, very tight consolidation here. The dollar is somewhat of a sticking point, but honestly, let's face it, the dollar has been on a tear, and relative to prior months, it really hasn't had that much of an adverse impact on gold, and especially on the gold miners. Speaking of the gold miners, let's talk about NUGT. This is poetry in motion here. This setup. Let's throw some lines up. All right, so what we have here is a classic bull flag setup. It is a continuation pattern, and I think that we are breaking out on NUGT after flashing a bullish reversal day today. Volume was below average. I think that we are moving higher here on NUGT. Emerging markets daily chart. A reversal day today. No breakout yet. We're not ready to go adding here. It's a hold. USLV. Bullish key reversal day. Good stuff. So the metals are looking very, very good. BHP Bulletin. Another reversal day. Very light volume though. Some topping tails up here implies resistance above. Cal-Maine Foods. This is a weekly chart. We're holding support. This sucker's so volatile. Let's go to a daily chart. Woo! Broke down below support. So Cal-Maine Foods under a lot of pressure here today. We'll hold on to it. But if we start breaking down below $43 per share, we're going to have to stop out here. Volume rose today. Domino's Pizza. So we have a confirmed breakdown on RSI and on Stokes. A bearish reversal day today on price. We were down over a half percentage point, $1.62 per share on volume, no less. I think we are going lower here on Domino's Pizza, especially if this market begins to give way. So we'll be looking to lean into this position a bit further. And that's it for tonight, folks. All the best to you and your better halves tonight on Valentine's Day, and have a great night. Be well.